Hello everyone. Welcome to Day Night Forex. This is Andile FXR. I'll be taking you through in how to download a MetaTrader 4 into your laptop. We'll be using our Google Chrome in order for us to download our MetaTrader 4. In order for you to download the MetaTrader 4, you need to use the broker. So the broker that we are using is FX Pro. So I'm gonna go to my Google Chrome, and then after that, I'm gonna type FX Pro. FX Pro. Okay, this FX Pro. I've typed FX Pro, and then I'm gonna go straight to FX Pro, and then as you can see, I'm just this Forex trading. I'm gonna click here. Okay, you can see that I'm in the FX Pro. I'm in. So I'll be looking for MetaTrader 4. This is MetaTrader 4 trading platform. So I'm gonna click it. So I'm gonna scroll down. I'm gonna scroll down. After this, I'm gonna scroll down, and there it is. Download the MetaTrader 4 Windows. If you're using Mac, Apple, and then this is download these Windows. Microsoft, wait, Microsoft. Okay, let me click download. See, now as you can see that it's already starting to download. It's downloading, and then when it's done, it's gonna notify me when it's done also. Sweet. In order for you to download the MetaTrader 4, it's depending on the broker that you are using. Okay. As you can see now, let me see if it's done. It's not done yet. It's downloading. Okay, it's done now. I'm gonna open it. Now. It's getting open. See, and I'm gonna click yes. Then next. You can see that it's downloading, guys. And then it's finished. As you can see, it's finished now. It's finished. I'm gonna click finish. Okay, I'm gonna tell you now how to put your credentials, your login details into your MT4. Wait for it, guys. Wait for it. I'm gonna tell you how it's done. I'm waiting for my MT4 to be done. Oh, it's already done. Okay, it's opening right now. As you can see, it's loading. There it is. Okay, as you can see, these are the servers. These are called the servers. These are called the servers. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go to my server, the one that the broker sent me. I'm gonna go to my server now. I'm gonna find my server. Let me find my server for my login. Okay, let's see who is this one. My server is FX Pro. My server is FX Pro 07. FX Pro 07. FX Pro 07. So now what I'm gonna do, just gonna put my details now. There it is. Then click it here. Then it's existing account already, and then I'm gonna put my login details. 7727. Yes. Then after that, I'm gonna put my password. Put my password after that. I'm putting my password. Putting my password now. Let's see if it's gonna go through. See if it's gonna go through. To my password. So I think I'm okay, it's invalid account. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Let's see if it is right. No, I put it wrong. Login ID number. Okay. Okay, let's try out the password again. Let's try out the password again. Okay, let's see if you're gonna log in. Let's see if you're gonna log in now. Let's see if you're gonna log in. Let's wait and see. Okay, I'm in. Okay, I'm in. Okay, there it is. I'm in. So I'm in. So let me set up my chart. Let me set up my chart for you. Let me set up my chart. Let me set up my chart. Okay, let me set up my chart. You can see I've set up my chart. In order for you to install the indicator, you must go to File, open Data folder, then go to MQL4, then Indicators, and then after that you go to the indicator that you want to install. This indicator that I want to install, then open it like this. I'm having a problem. I'm having a network problem, but it's fine. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna click it like this. First, I'm gonna copy all of this, as you can see, and then copy. I'm gonna go back after that. Go back. There it is, and then I'm gonna paste in here. All of them pasted, and I'm gonna it off, and I'm gonna go to navigation, and then when there's indicators open like this, and then when I click here, I'm gonna refresh them in order for the other ones to show up. You can see. Okay, I can put this one now. Let's see. There it is. They are in now, as you can see. Simple like that. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. This is how you install your MT4 and your indicators into your laptop. Easy like that, as you all can see. Thank you very much.